We're going to read Shake a Leg. Okay, go on back, Ben. Everybody ready? Yeah, everybody ready? Shake a leg.
The baby. The baby.
Oh, is it a baby? It is a baby. Okay. Honk your nose. Pat your head. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Rub your tummy. Jiggle your ears. Flap your elbows.
Shrug your shoulders.
Yup, shrug your shoulders.
Swing your arms.
Swing your arms. You guys are getting ahead of me.
Swing on.
Touch your ankles.
Touch your ankles.
Knock your knees.
Knock your knees. What?
Kick up your heels.
Kick up your heels.
Make a muscle.
Stop.
Twist your waist. Close your eyes and take a rest. You didn't close your eyes and take a rest, you guys.
Can I watch a video?
You gotta close your eyes and take a rest.
Read that again.
Go close your eyes and take a rest. And then we'll read it again. You gotta rest first.
Morning time. Can I